Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can go to the gallery section of the Adobe Firefly account and how you can see the community generated inspiration. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the account, and after that we have to log in. And as you can see, it has an option for the gallery. So we have to click on the gallery. So as you can see, get inspired by the community, discover Firefly, promote to remix and submit your own images to the gallery. As you can see, these all options are provided. If you want to view them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, I'm going to open this. So let's click on this, and we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now, the image is here. If you want to edit this, if you want to use this according to your need, you can also do that. So as you can see now, the image prompt is provided here. If you want to change this, as you can see now, these all options are provided here. You know that how to use these options. So if you want to edit them, you can also do that. So as you can see now, the option is here. You can, if you want to download this, you can also do that. If you want to change the command, you can also do that. So these all options are provided here. So we are going to bake, and let's click on the bake option, and let's go to the gallery again, and you can use any image from the gallery section. So as you can see, these all images are provided here. For example, I want to use this one. So let's click on this, and you will be able to see the command here and the editing options here. So as you can see now, the command is here. Flat design vector poster featuring a sunset and the Golden Gate Bridge. As you can see, these all commands are provided here, and the option is also selected here. So in this way, you can use the gallery option, and in this way, you can use the generated image of the Adobe Firefly. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.